Nékojita FuFu. There is a lot to do on busy mornings, but with small children, it's hard not to worry that they'll burn themselves on their food. Nékojita refers to people who dislike hot foods and drinks. Blowing on scalding drinks is common around the world. But if only we could find a fun solution to this daily struggle. That's why we created Nékojita FuFu. It can be used with all kinds of dishware, anytime, anywhere. FuFu is rechargeable, so there's no need for batteries. Now, you no longer have to worry about burnt tongues. And you'll have a little bit more ease of mind at the dinner table.
Hi, I'm Shunsuke Aoki, the CEO of Yukai Engineering. Yukai Engineering has delighted users worldwide through numerous successful crowdfunding products. With Nékojita FuFu, we aspire to bring more joy and playfulness to people's everyday lives. Thank you.
Warm foods, warmer moments. Nékojita FuFu.